Where are you going? You don't come with us. Suro, no. No, you stay there. We go to the market, okay? You stay there. We are going to the market. Just stay here. Kuyog siya, buing nga ni ay. Restila! No! Ale, Restila. No. Pais siya. We go to the market. Good morning! Maon ang palibot. Sa tas itong dagway. Mura piso. Di siya mura. Piso gyud. Oh, di ba? Piso kayo. So, oh my gosh, kuyo ganing kagwang ay. No, si Suro. Restila ba? No, you will get lost there. No, arrête, Suro. Kalang nga, pala kalang. Allez, go. Na. Go home. I don't want you to get lost, okay? Go home. Laba. Ra, Restila. Don't stay with us, okay? Kasi nindot kayo ang parang na may sun. Pero medyo fresh lang. Medyo fresh. Laba! Go home! Non.
Mais maman, c'est ton chat, hein. Il est déjà allé à Villeneuve.
C'est vrai?
C'est sûr. C'est son territoire.
Non.
Mais si, quand ils sont en chaleur, ils vont super loin. Il a peur, il a eu peur de moi, il s'est mis dans l'herbe.
Sora! Mura po kasi Mino da.
Non, c'est une tête de mule, ça marchera pas. Je vais lui en faire un.
Kaka. Gara po ng iringa ay bahala kay.
Fat Zoro.
Bahala ka.
Il va aller dans le sac, tu vas voir. Non, je rigole, c'est pas vrai.
No, we gotta put with bull. Why do we do the kadila? Why we don't bring the kadi?
Ah, on a oublié.
Huh?
Ah, maman, mais ça va pas.
You have money there? Chérie. T'as l'argent là?
Regarde, il réfléchit maintenant.
Oh, we have no cash. Regarde.
Regarde, maman.
It's a chance to be ah. You change your mind now?
Ouais, je te dis, je veux pas y aller là-bas.
Yeah, okay, see you later there. Let's see one another there. What are they selling in the market? It's Sunday today. Itwa! Restila ba? Gara ay! Stop for now. See you later. In the village. It's a small village. What's happened? Wow, why is the wind? Because last time there was a strong wind. It's good to yeah, but it's bigger. You see, change mind is there. Doesn't come with us. Maybe his okay, anyway. Kita to doon. Magnanaw tag-on sa ilang baligya dito. We will see what they are selling in the market in this small village. You know, you remember what I posted last time? We went to walk there. It's not far. Sherry, there is no market in the Tribas?
Non, c'est en été.
No, it doesn't go down. Okay. Bye for now.